Okay, we CB. Welcome back to my English daily vlog. And today is my 7th day from daily English vlog. So today I want to unboxing my packet. This is it. I will unboxing here. And if you guys order something in the e-commerce, like the orange groceries, or yeah, like that. And then so let's go unboxing this packet. So this is I ordered from WeAllFee. Okay, I ordered some jacket for my order. Okay, this is scissors. I will cut it in here maybe. Okay, one. Slowly. Oh my god. Okay. I think there is no need to scissor. Yeah? Just only need my hand. Like this one. No need scissor, no need. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the jacket. Okay. It's very big, I guess. Oh, what is this? Voucher and guarantee card. Wow. Okay. Order. Thank you for order. You are the best. Okay. Yes. Oh, we get some sticker too. A sticker. Not some. A sticker. Okay. One sticker. Okay. This is the jacket. Its color is brown. Okay. I think the is smooth. Okay. This is it. This is the jacket. I hope this fits on me. Okay. I will wear it later maybe. I don't want to wear it now because I just want to unboxing it. And okay, I think it's enough for English daily vlog today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my IG. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Ciao.